Hey brick fans, and welcome to the Brick Bakery, where all our jokes are half baked and most our bricks are medium rare. Today we're having a look at the 6662 Backhoe, which is a set from 1992 that consists of 81 parts and one minifig. The 6662 is part of the classic town construction theme, and it's one of the first construction vehicles I remember getting. But without further ado, let's get to building. Finished 6662 looks like this. It's essentially just a tractor that you see in many construction sites around the world. And if we start out by taking a look at the tractor itself, we find that it is a very functional little build. First of all, there is the shovel in the back. There are these supports that can be unfolded to support the tractor while using the shovel. The shovel here in the back is very flexible. It can turn from one side to the other and can of course also extend very, very far. And that's very practical if the hole you're trying to dig is very far away. If we take a look at the front, we can see the shovel here in the front, which is of course a larger shovel that can be used for digging and moving dirt around. The color scheme is pretty great. It has a real sense of realism to it, and the interplay between the black and the yellow is something that I like very, very much. There's one little red detail here in the cabin inside where the steering wheel is actually red, and that is a cool accentuation of that small detail. There's also a very nice little sunroof which can be opened if it is a hot day. There are 4 pieces of accessories to this build: the 2 small signs and the 2 tools, the shovel and the broom, which are some great LEGO classics. And last but not least, there is of course the minifig. This minifig is actually one of the real classics with the red helmet, the red overalls and the white shirt, and I think it's actually hard not to like him. That was the 6662, which is a set that I like a lot because it's a very simple build, but it manages to have some very complicated functionalities as well. It's one of those sets that has a very realistic look and a very nice color scheme, and that's something I really, really like. But that's all for me today. I hope you'll comment, like and subscribe, and I hope I'll see you guys next Monday.